So dear students, today we shall learn about median and altitude, the triangle and its properties. Okay, here we shall first of all consider upon median and altitude. Already you know different types of triangles in your previous classes. So now we shall see what is a median. When we take one triangle, where is the median? Okay, for this let us take one triangle. So this is a triangle and I have to find the median of this triangle. You take any side, just you see I am folding this and I have folded the base equally. So this is the midpoint. Okay, this point is the midpoint, right? Now from this midpoint, so I found the midpoint here. Let it be a triangle A, B, C and the midpoint be D. Now this midpoint and this point, the vertex, if we join these 2 points, okay, if I join these 2 points, then I get the median. This is the median of this triangle. Okay, so here we have the median. So this is the midpoint and this is the vertex and the line joining. So median is the line, it is the line joining the midpoint of a side to the opposite vertex. Okay, so it is the line joining midpoint of a side to the opposite vertex. That means there are 3 sides of a triangle. That means we can find 3 medians. Okay, I have done with this side. Now if I take this side, then again I shall find another median. So this is the midpoint of this side, and if I join this midpoint to the opposite vertex, again I get another median. Okay, so this was the first median, this is the second median, and again if I take this side, then also if I fold it again to get the midpoint, then again I join it to the opposite vertex, I find the third median. So in this triangle I found 1, 2, 3 medians. Okay, if this is, it is the midpoint, second median, let it be the midpoint, it is the third median. Okay, from this you can see that the 3 medians, they meet at a point. All the 3 medians, they meet at a point. Okay, so this is the point. Here also they are meeting at a point. Okay, now let's understand what is altitude. Okay, now let's understand what is altitude. You see I have a triangle here. Now I want to know the distance between this base and the vertex. How to find the distance? And distance means shortest distance. Okay, so shortest distance we shall get when we get the 90 degree, that is perpendicular, then only we get the shortest distance, and it is called the altitude of this triangle. Okay, so in this triangle I can do like this. So if I fold it in such a way that it matches with the base, then you see this will give me the altitude. Okay, here it is 90 degree. Okay, so this one line gives the altitude. Now this is the altitude, and as we have seen in median, altitudes are also as there are three different sides, so there will be three different altitudes also, and this is another altitude, and this is another altitude. Okay, so here also we have three types of three different altitudes. And what about if the triangle is a right angle triangle? Here you see this is already a right angle. That means where is the altitude? Here this side is one altitude, this is another altitude, and the third altitude we can find as we have seen in the previous one. In this way we can find the third altitude. So in a right angle triangle, we have this is only one altitude, this is another altitude, and this one is the third altitude. Okay. Now let's understand about exterior angle. You know, in a triangle we have three exterior angles. If this is one triangle, if I extend one side, I get this angle. This is one exterior angle. Okay, A, B, C, D. So angle ACD is exterior angle. Similarly, if I extend any side, I will get different types of exterior angles. Now let's do an activity to see some properties of a triangle in which we shall measure the exterior angle and its relation to the angle A and angle B. Okay. So I have taken a line here and I have taken one triangle here. Now I shall put this triangle on the line. Okay. Now I shall cut these two angles. Okay. Now let's see. Let's cut this angle, and let's cut this angle. Okay, I have cut two angles from the left side, and here I have the external angle. Okay, now I shall try to match these two angles. Okay, now I shall match these three here. This is angle A, and this one is angle B. Okay, you see, when I am matching A and B, these two angles, they are completely fitting with the exterior angle. So from this we know that the sum of two interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. So from this activity we found that angle ACD equal to angle A plus angle B. That means the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measures of interior opposite angles. Okay, that means in a triangle, if this angle is given suppose 135 degree and this is suppose given 60 degree, then what will be this angle? So 60 plus which angle? So 135 minus 60, it gives you 75 degree. Okay. So in this way, if any two angle from these three is given, we can find the third one. In a triangle, suppose we are given this is 45 degree and this angle is suppose 60 degree. What will be the exterior angle? So it is 45 plus 60, it is 105 degree. Okay. So in this way we can find the exterior angle or interior opposite angle in a triangle if any two angles are given. Now let's see angle sum property. In a triangle ABC, we want to know what is the sum of measures of all the three angles. What is the sum of angle A and angle B and angle C? We want to find the sum. For this, let us take one activity. I have three triangles. You see, same triangle. Copy of the same triangle. Three triangle I have in my hand. That means in all the triangles I have named here angle A, and this is angle B. As you can see, I have named the angles angle A, angle B and angle C. In all the triangles I have named them. Now let me align angle A. I shall align angle A of one triangle with angle B of another triangle and angle C of the third triangle. Okay. If I align the angles, then what I see, now if I align these three angles, angle A, B and C, you can see it makes one straight line. Okay. Here it makes one straight line. Right? That means, what do you mean by straight line? Straight line means the angle is 180 degree. And in this point you can see we have angle A, angle B and angle C. Okay, I have taken angle A, B and C, and when I align them, they make 180 degree. Okay, we can draw a straight line also. By using this, we can draw a straight line also, right, at this point. Okay. So from this activity, we saw that sum of three angles A, B and C, it is 180 degree. That means if this angle is suppose 60 degree and this is suppose 75 degree, and what will be this angle? We have already learnt that the sum of three angles is 180 degree. So here already we have 60 plus 75. We have already 135 degree. So what will be the third angle? It will be 180 minus 135 degree. That will give 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree. Okay. In a triangle, if we are given any two angles, then we can find the third angle in this way. Okay. This is called angle sum property. That means in a triangle, sum of all the three angles, the measure of all the three angles is 180 degree. Okay. So here we learnt about median, altitude, exterior angle, and we learnt about angle sum property of a triangle. So meet you again in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.